Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Sports Prediction Channel, one of the best channels on YouTube right now that gives short predictions, accurate betting tips and strategies. So if you're new to this channel, if this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and do turn on the notification bell for you to get notified. It's our everyday predictions, betting tips and strategies that have been uploaded on this channel. So guys, on today we have analyzed the best games for you guys for today, show games for you guys for today, although the yesterday games all went successful. Yesterday games went successful, and we are going to be continuing with the current form of winning on this channel. So guys, on today, without me wasting much of your time, here are the best show games for you guys for today. An England Premier League, Liverpool vs Southampton. Liverpool to win 2-0 on this match with a 1.13 odd on today's prediction. Rennes vs PSG, draw or away. France League 1, PSG to win or draw on this game with a 1.21 odd on this prediction. Lille vs Montpellier, Lille a home or draw. France League 1, 1.11 odd. Inter vs AC Milan, and Italy Serie A, Inter to win 2-0 on this prediction with a 1.154. Bayer Leverkusen vs Werder Bremen, Bayer Leverkusen, Germany Bundesliga, Bayer Leverkusen to win 2-0 on today's prediction with a 1.28 odd on this prediction. So guys, this is the first best league for today, and the second best league for today. Yes, the second best league. The second best league for today's match. So guys, bet responsible and never be greedy for odds. Have patience on your games. Have patience on your games. These are the sure second best league for today with a 3-all on today's match. Barcelona vs Osasuna. Barcelona to win 2-0 on today's match. Spain La Liga with a 1.23 all on today's prediction. Bayer Leverkusen vs Werder Bremen, home or draw with a 1.07 all. Borussia Dortmund vs Augsburg, home or draw. Germany Bundesliga 1.154. Alavés vs Villarreal, Spain La Liga, draw or away with a 1.38 all on double chance on today's prediction. England Premier League, Crystal Palace vs Ipswich Town, double chance, home or draw 1.154. Liverpool vs Southampton, Liverpool to win 2-0 on today's match. This is a sure win-win game for today's prediction with a 1.13 all. Germany Bundesliga hosting Kiel vs Stuttgart, draw or away. Draw or away. Germany Bundesliga 1.164. So guys, like I always say, if you're new to this channel, if this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and do turn on the notification bell for you to get notified once our everyday predictions, betting tips and strategies are being uploaded on this channel. I wish you all the very best.